Hey guys, it's Tyler at ATC Mobility. Today I'm going to show you how to manually operate your 3-pump system. And this is for in case of emergency or in case your key fob is not functioning and you're not able to open up your door or get your lift out. A couple things you may need is a ratchet with a 14mm socket, and you're going to need a good high-powered drill with a 1/4-inch hex fitting inside. Now that we're in the back of the truck, this is a passenger side conversion. We have the door pump here, the vertical pump here, and the horizontal pump here. In the front of these pumps, you will see a small hole. These may be covered up with a cap in your conversion, and they will be a 14mm, and you can just remove those with a socket. Behind that cap is where your 1/4-inch drill bit will go, and that is how you actually operate the pump manually. So first we are going to manually operate the door pump. You can see this has a sticker and it shows the direction to go to close and the direction to go to open. Your stickers may be different, and if you start going one direction and say it's not opening but it should be, just go back the other direction and it'll open. So I will start out turning this slowly for open. So now that the door is open, we're going to move on to bringing the lift out. But I want you to keep in mind that when you're manually operating this system, the limit switches are no longer functionable. So you have to be really careful about how far you are extending the cylinders by manually operating these pumps, because you can cause damage to the vehicle if you overextend the cylinders. So when you manually operate the pan out, just make sure that the pan clears the threshold before you start to go down. Now that the lift is out and down, you will just move on now to doing everything that you just did in reverse. And that will get the lift back in and the door closed up.